You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Chime Credit Builder cards to checking accounts. Watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the process on how to send money from your Chime Credit Builder card to checking account. So the first thing to do is to open your Chime app. So launch the Chime app on your mobile device. From there, then you have to navigate to the move money section. So to do this, you have to tap on the move money option in your Chime app, then choose the transfer funds from the available options. Then from there, in the form field, select credit builder. In the top field, in the to field, and select checking account. From there, enter the transfer amount, and you have to review the details and confirm the transfer. And that's how to send money from Chime Credit Builder card to checking account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.